How to track US stock trends fast. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can track US stock trends. The first thing you want to do is use stock market apps. For that, you want to download apps such as Robinhood, TD, Ameritrade, which offers real-time stock data and trends. These apps allow you to quickly track stock movements and trends across US markets. Next thing you want to do is utilize financial news websites. Websites like Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, and Bloomberg provide up to date stock information, trends, and analysis. These platforms offer insights into price movements, historical trends, and expert opinions on stocks. You also want to set up alerts. Many platforms such as Google Finance, Yahoo Finance allow you to set up custom alerts for specific stocks. You'll get notification on price changes, volume spikes, or news related to your stocks. You also want to keep an eye on major US stock indices such as S&P 500 and Dow Jones. These indices provide a broad overview of market trends and their movements can indicate overall market sentiment. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.